Okay, welcome back. All right, let's select this and get rid of this. Now, let me share something with you before I actually delete this. Let's say I wanted to hide this. How would I hide the object? Well, what do I mean by that, Robert? Do you want to delete it? No, exactly what I said. I want to hide the object, or I want to lock the object. Anything about the object is under the object menu. So if I want to lock based on these choices, Command 2 Macintosh, Control 2 for Windows. If I want to hide, it's Command 3 Macintosh, so it could literally hide the artwork. Command Option for choice, Command Option 3 unhides. So if you wanted to lock this, Command 2 locks, therefore I can't select it because I can't affect it. Command Option 2 or Control Alt 2 unlocks. So I'm going to put the object just up here to the left, and I'm going to choose to lock it. Command 2, Control 2, make a change, save a change. Good to have to get into. Just kind of keep that there as a visual. It kind of looks nice. All right. Now, reflecting tool, one of my favorite, most powerful techniques I'm about to share with you. Now, I'm not going to go into great detail right now on the pen tool. I have a separate video series for that. But I want to share with you a very powerful production technique of how to work the reflection tool and how to work with the layers. You're really going to enjoy this. It's a lot of fun. So I'm going to hit the P for pen tool. P for pen tool. Okay, and I want to just hit the X key, and I want to start with a fill of maybe this orange color. So I'm going to create a shirt. I'm going to create a shirt from the center. I'm going to create the neckline here. I'm going to come down here and create the arm, and all I'm doing is clicking and dragging. If I click and drag, I can create a curve. I come down here again, and I come right there, and I create a half of a shirt. Now I decided to drop the neckline a little bit down. Now, very important step. Notice I'm in the pen tool, but the pen tool doesn't select. Holding down the Command key or Control key selects. So I'm going to select this anchor point. I'm going to hit Command K right now, or Control K for Windows. Command K is preferences for Macintosh, Adobe. Control K for Windows. So every time with the arrow key, I want to move this down, say 3 points. So now if I hit the down arrow key, it's going to move this down 3 points. If I hit Command K and I wanted to move 10 points, every time with the arrow key, now it will move down 10 points. I'm going to leave it at 10. All right, now, really cool stuff here. So if you want to create symmetrical stuff, especially when it comes to fashion design and symmetrical shirts, in order to affect the path, I need to select the path. Now notice with the direct selection tool, I didn't need to do this, I just need to click into its fill by holding that Command key. Now I'm going to go to the reflection tool. Again, I started out the previous video series by saying that all transformation tools work exactly the same way. Return key does it from the center. Click drag from that point, or option click gives you a dialog box. So right now I'm going to go to the O tool, which is reflection tool, letter O. I'm going to pick a point to reflect from, and I'm going to reflect over. Holding on the option key to make a clone copy, and holding on the shift key to constrain that. Make sure you let go of your mouse hand first. So in order to join these objects, Command A is select all. I'm going to hit Command J to join, and Command J to join again. So I want to join, in this particular case, let's undo this. Command Shift C. So I'm going to, in order to affect the anchor points, I need to select the anchor points, and Command J joins. Select the anchor point, Command J joins. Under Object, Path, Join, Command J. Now if you didn't join the bottom one, technically what would happen here is that this would actually move separately. See? So I could actually move that separately. So if you were to select this, this is actually not joined. Okay, so I just want to share that with you. So if you were to do something like this, go to the rotation tool, notice that it's not joined out. Okay, so again, O, pick a point to transform from, hold down the option key to make a clone copy, hold down the shift key to constrain it. I'm going to select this anchor point, Command J, the bottom anchor point, Command J. Command S, save. Okay, pretty cool stuff, right? So I did that with a reflection tool. Now if I decided to actually make the sleeves longer or shorter, let me share with you a really powerful technique. I can select this series of anchor points, holding down the Command key or Control key for Windows, and the Shift key to select this side. Now I'm going to go to the Scale tool. I'm going to pick a point to scale from, symmetrically center, and I could scale out, I could scale down, I can make this any length I want using the Scale tool. I'm going to go with that. Make a change, save a change. Okay, now, really cool technique. I want to take this same shirt, and from this same shirt, I want to make a t-shirt, a tank top, and a dress from the same shirt. Perhaps different colors, but I want to use the same shirt. And we're going to start doing this in our next video. I want to keep each video short and sweet to the point. So come back.